This is little sneaky. Hold it. Here. Rub her body. Rub his body.
That's still hot.
No, I already changed it. I don't know why. It's almost off.
I think you're doing it wrong. It's just hotter now.
I off it already. Did I do it wrong? Correct. Hold it. Nakuta. It's off already. It's probably hot, Mila. Yeah. It's off already.
Okay. This side.
Get it here. La 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 la. Now it's cold now.
Oh yeah, fire.
Probably get cold. It's cold.
Oh my god, I'm soaking wet.
Move over there, so.
Baba. I'm soaking wet.
Fine, baby, you're gonna take a shower. Are you gonna go swimming? No, you grab Rasta. Back of the ano, oh my god. Where did it came from? Oh my god. What that? Scary. Is that poisonous?
At pagkatapos namin magpaligo sa mga aming mga aso, ay sabi ko sa apo ko, tara, let's go play. So, she decided she want to go basketball and she thinks that I'm not doing it. So I did it. So she was laughing at me. And it's Thursday. Kailangan kong pumunta ng grocery para makabili ako ng mga gulay ko, yung kinakain ko. Yung sa akin lang na kinakain ha. Yan lang ang bibilihin ko kasi aalis yung mga anak ko para ma-ready na. Pero kasama ko yung anak ko dyan. Siyempre yan, lagi kong kasama pa nag-grocery. So ayan na nga. Bumili ako ng mga kailangan ko, gulay, prutas, at saka tinapay. So pagdating namin ng bahay, mayroon akong sinaing na black rice. I have black rice already. So I have to weigh it for 100 gram each pack. So that is ready already. 100 grams is 117 calories. So yan, nakalagay yan sa freezer. Ilalagay ko lang yan sa freezer para anytime, once a day. I used to eat rice every 3 times a day. 3 times as in 3 times. Now I only eat once a day. So ito na yung aking naka-freezer. I have that chicken breast with bok choy and tomato and onion. I saute it and then I pack it also like I weigh it into the how many grams. So that's my lunch. My lunch is 270 grams. 117 ang aking rice and the rest is I forgot already. But all in all, I have 270 calories for lunch. That's very low. So I'm doing my 1,500 calories per day. So ayan ang ginagawa ko. I just heat it up in the microwave. And that way, it's so easy every meal. Like once a day, I did that only once a day. Only lunchtime, I eat rice, 100 grams of rice. So ayan, I heat it up already, and it's time for me to eat my lunch. My grandkids' lunch is different from me and everybody. So lahat sila, iba-iba ang pagkain. And ako, iba din. Yan ang aking 270 calories lunch. My breakfast is, for my coffee, because it has milk and a little bit of sugar, 188 calories. My coffee is 188 calories. And then that's my lunch. So pagkatapos after my lunch, maglalaba muna si Lola. At ang daming tupiin, yung mga ginagamit namin sa pool, the things that we use in the pool, that bathing suits and the towels stay in that nearby the washing machine. So it's easy naman to do the washing and the drying. The one thing that it's really matters is how you fold the clothes. It takes time. So yun na nga. At dahil 98 degrees, rumampa ang Lola, I decided to go on the pool. I never go to the pool like when it's 75 degrees or no. I only go there about 85, or yesterday it was 90 degrees, almost 90 degrees, 89 degrees, yeah. Almost 90 degrees actually. So I enjoy swimming with my granddaughter because the other grandkids, they're playing games, so they will come to the pool later on. So ayan na nga, that's my day. Saturday. No, it's Thursday. Today is Thursday. So everybody is enjoying because it's vacation. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. And please do like this video. Thank you.